Una see why I dey laugh. I dey laugh because I came across Benny Omo's video. I was reading through the comment. She asked question. If I give you 10 mil, if you receive 10 million today, what will you do with it? Ha! Comment section flop. No say it concern na money now. Una know why I dey laugh because some people talk better thing wey go help them. So one dem dey mix am. So one day they talk how you go buy na fisherman fish first. He first chop, he swallow before he think of wetin wey go do the money. Hey! Then someone dey say he go carry am go for, he go run first go for altar, go sleep for down for church, he check wetin wey go do good and fine. Most people talk better things. One dey say they go do business, they go buy land, they go open POS. I don read plenty comment for there, but the most one wey make me I dey make this video na this thing wey the Western and carry church bring am for our place for Africa. We don carry the church for our head like na iron cap. Na that one make me I dey make this video because I see more than 5 people wey I start the first section of the message wey I start dey read am. More than 5 people for everything wey they list am, they go put about I go give the one side, some one side I go move 1 million, give am for tithes for church. True. Since where you dey, where every day you dey go tithes, these people wey they say they go give they go give 1 million. Someone they say I'll go play tithe. E no bad, but opportunity now wetin they talk say opportunity come. First thing we remember na to carry 1 million or carry some of that money go give for church. And na your mind you talk am, they no deny. But me I dey ask and say this Western wey carry church bring am, we don take the church. Even if we dey hungry go church. Even if you no get work you go church. Abba, you no go think say if you go for some people they sleep for the church safe, and they sleep their situation they even change, but they go ask you question. If you receive 10 million today, what you go do? You say I go take 1 million go give for tithes for church. Since you sit down for your life, you never see money do business, money chop, then person can offer you more. Just say na true person, truly person offer you 10 million. First thing you go take 1 million go give am for church. Since where you dey for that church, how much pastor for the church, man will get church, how much he don't count am? Some of them they even count and give una. How much some of that pastor then they don't pay una picking their school fees. So opportunity come where if person they offer you that money, as she ask that question, Benny Omo do ask question, go for a comment section. Most of people who they read their comment, they more put and say I give tithe to church. But when you no get, church no give you your own tithe for bring up yourself and your family. Sometimes the church themselves they get school, they get